Made in Korea and established in 1957, HISTEEL is a Korean steel pipe manufacturer with know-how and technology accumulated over 60 years. It has a production capacity of 500,000 tons per year that can flexibly respond to customers' demands. HISTEEL supplies products in various fields, such as steel pipes for energy transportation, hollow sections for offshore structures, steel pipes for petrochemical plants, piling pipes, structural tubulars, and steel pipes for machinery components. HISTEEL's products are divided into welding categories SAW and ERW, as well as their form, round and square tubes. HISTEEL's products are produced in Dongjin and Incheon, Korea. And HISTEEL has sales offices in Houston, Texas, and in Germany to serve closely our overseas customers and partners. HISTEEL has been acting as a global leading provider by exporting to more than 50 countries in the past 60 years. High-end steel pipe, HISTEEL. SAW pipe. Based in Dongjin, a new center of the Korean steel industry optimized for raw material supply and import and export logistics, HISTEEL produces SAW steel pipes and supplies products to various fields. Roll bending line. The workflow of our production is in a very effective straight line by use of an automatic conveyor system providing excellent productivity. Thanks to our 3-roll bending process, it is possible to quickly and consistently roll outer diameter up to 60 inches and maximum length of 12.2 meters or 40 feet. Internal and external welding of the longitudinal weld seam is by SAW method. Through the full-body cold expander furnished firstly in Korea, the residual stress of the steel pipe is relieved at the same time the roundness and straightness are calibrated. JCO press line. HISTEEL is the world's first to produce small-diameter, heavy-thickness steel pipes from 10 inches to 24 inches beyond the limits of SAW steel pipe production range. It can produce up to 50 millimeters in thickness. In fields such as steel pipes for energy transportation, offshore structures, and petrochemical plants, HISTEEL proposes new solutions of small-diameter, heavy-thickness SAW pipes that can be alternative to seamless pipes. The JCO press, optimized for small diameter, enables precise geometrical forming of heavy wall plates. The perfectly formed heavy wall plate is joined by SAW welding. Small diameter, heavy thickness pipes, which require more sophistication than large-sized pipes, are perfectly produced with HISTEEL's intensive SAW welding know-how. Especially steel grades with severe requirements such as impact at low temperature, are recognized by customers for quality excellence. HISTEEL operates heat treatment facilities and test labs for technical requirements such as sour service and DWT test to meet harsh usage environments. To ensure product reliability, HISTEEL conducts hydrostatic test, radiographic test, and ultrasonic test according to applicable global standards. HISTEEL's testing equipment rates at the international standard level, complying with rigorous standards of certified inspection personnel and a high level of quality assurance system. ERW pipe. HISTEEL's ERW plant is equipped with a facility to produce the widest range of structural steel pipes in Korea. Incheon plant manufactures steel pipes for steel structures such as buildings and bridges, general piping, and pipes for automotive components. In addition to KS certification, which is a Korean industrial standards, by holding international standard certifications such as JIS, BCR, and ACRS, HISTEEL produces various products of excellent quality. The raw material is prepared in the form of a scalp through a slitting process that cuts the hot rolled coil according to the requirement of clients. Through the forming process, the shape of the steel pipe is formed, and then squeezing roll put pressure to both ends of the scalp to conduct high-frequency electric resistance welding. HISTEEL's welding technology accumulated over a long period of time, and its accuracy in form and size are trusted by many customers, both domestic and abroad. Products that have been finally produced are packaged through marking and cutting. HISTEEL's automatic packaging equipment was introduced for the first time in Korea, and it secures both quick workability and high safety compared to manual work. From the steel pipes requiring precision for clean rooms of semiconductor plants, automated warehouses, and precision machinery, to large-sized steel pipes used for big-scale buildings, such as airports, train stations, and stadiums, HISTEEL supplies the widest range of products in Korea to various industrial fields. HISTEEL has been driving creative change around the world. Endlessly challenge and constantly change with affirmation and passion. A reliable partner in the steel pipe industry. High-end steel pipe. HISTEEL.